Hi, my name is Max Balan. I'm a realtor here at Royal LaPage Performance Realty on the Nick Fundytus team, and it is time for your deal of the week. So this week's deal is a little bit different. I think we're going to go back to some basics and talk about who you should have on your real estate investment team. I was actually talking to somebody, and they were saying, "Hey, man, liking these videos and stuff like that. But where do I start? Who should I be talking to? Who should I reach out to? Who should be on my team?" So I'm going to give you a quick a quick five folks that you should have on your team. Right now, this isn't the only folks you should have on your team, but it's a pretty good start. So let's start off with the very first person on your team is a real estate agent. That's where I come in and my team comes in. No, but seriously though, you want to make sure that your real estate agent is a connected person in the community. They've worked with a lot of folks. They have experience, specifically in investment. It's a little bit different, obviously, than regular real estate. So you want to talk to somebody who's done a few deals like that under their belt. And really, with that correct person, that correct individual, it's going to help you build the rest of your team. The next person you're going to need is the lender, obviously. Who's going to be giving you this money? Is it going to be the bank? Are you going to a mortgage professional? Are you doing quote unquote hard money? Are you getting it from your uncle Bob that just inherited money from their friend in Nigeria? The prince in Nigeria ended up giving them a deal. I don't know. Wherever you're getting that money, another person you want to be on your team, you're a lender. Lawyer, obviously. You want to make sure you work with somebody who knows what they're doing, who can close in different cases. You want to make sure that a person that can close with the clients there. You want to make sure the person that can close if they are remote. It is important. Sometimes you might be looking at a deal and might not be in that general area. You want to make sure that you actually have somebody who will be able to assist you and kind of make sure that anything that pops up, anything funky, that particular lawyer has seen that before, or if they haven't seen that before, they can at least make sure that you get through it okay. Next person that you're going to be looking at, besides realtor, the lawyer, the lender, is the contractor slash handy handy person. You want to make sure that once you purchase this property, you have somebody there that's going to be able to go in there and make those changes for you, get that property to where it needs to be so you can actually get the rent. Or if you are doing a resale of that property, you can get that property to where it needs to be. The last person that we're going to be looking at for this particular thing is what we're going to be talking about: an accountant. Why do we need an accountant? Well, you want to make sure that you understand where your money's coming in, how that's working. You understand how the rent's coming in. You want to make sure that you're not losing any money because of repairs. You want to make sure that you have somebody there. If you're not able to do it, if you don't have an accounting software, what have you, you want to make sure that you have somebody there that's going to kind of keep an eye on everything. Make sure that you think that you're getting money coming in and you're really losing money on the back end because you have an extra expense or you have something that popped up that you weren't expecting, that was a little bit more expensive that you thought it was going to be. That's another person that you definitely want to be part of your list. So a quick review: real estate agent, your lawyer, your lender, your contractor, and your accountant. Or accounting software. It's up to you. Those are the people that are going to be key to making sure that you, as an investor, are successful. Anyway, my name is Max. Like I said, I'm an agent here at Royal LaPage Performance Realty on the Nick Fundytus team. This has been a very special deal of the week, and we'll see you next week. Talk to you guys later. Bye now. Oh, and please like and subscribe. Bye.